What do you think, Hazel? Oh, look at those curls. Oh boy.
She likes your curly hair, Amalia. Mom, you got her?
Yeah, ever. I don't know what happened to her. Ooh, you're really big. Ooh, you're really big.
That's funny.
Is she kicking you in the back? In the butt?
Oh, she's going for your hair again. Going for your curls.
She's kind of backing up. I don't know. I don't know. What? I had you. Yeah.
Amalia, is that your cousin Hazel?
Cough, cough. Yeah, cough, cough.
Give me more attention, please. I'm starved over here. Starving.
Where's your mother? Is that your mom? Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Hi, honey. Hello. Do I look funny upside down? You haven't seen me like this in a while.
Should we try again? Who is that polka dot girl? Who is that polka dot?
Amaya.
Hi.